Here's a little video tutorial of the Maraekakaho hall setup. So over here on the main distribution or switchboard, we've got an equipment layout up here. It's labelled what everything is very clearly, and the battery. Over here we've got a start up and shut down procedure. To follow that, shouldn't really need to do it, only in the case we need to work on the electrical grid here. And you've got a switchboard layout here, all labelled exactly what everything does in the switchboard. It is labelled in the switchboard as well. So this here is your main switch. That's the main coming in, power coming in, which actually feeds from there into the meter. You've got inverter 1, which is the left hand one, over here, inverter 2. Now this is inverter 2, and this is a grid protection relay. This is to isolate power from backfeeding to the grid in a power outage. These are the contactors that work off this, and this is the power for this grid protection relay. Now we have changeover switches. There's 1 and 2. They're a 3-position switch. So when they're in the grid position or up position, it's not working. It will not work in a off-grid mode. In the center position, that is everything off. It's not feeding from the solar, not feeding from the grid, and in backup, which means it'll be feeding from the battery system. So it's got notes here about the changeover. I'll give you, that's enough for this. I'll pause this.